Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, January 28th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the markets in no particular time order, we had 1, 2, 3, for some of us, 4, 5. Actually, had 7 opportunities in the marketplace. A lot of people didn't take the one loser we had because it was right at 10 o'clock, and I warned everybody that this one may be a little volatile before it eventually does go up afterwards, which is exactly what happened. But we didn't take a big risk on that one, so no big deal because we had plenty of other winners. We're going to just run through it here really quick from left to right. Market was down when we came in. Wasn't really expecting it, and I told everybody wasn't really expecting it necessarily to go down too much further. But on the other hand, I didn't know if they would be buying anytime soon with any real ferocity today. We tried to get long. We tried to get long in the marketplace at an exhaustion trade 66.75 quarter, 9:36 Central or 9:39 Central Standard Time. That trade went up and it made from 75 quarter up till about it made almost 40 ticks, and that was really nice. We then hit it again around 72, one candle, 2 candles later, and that one went up another 30, 40 ticks. So that was really nice there. Bounced around, couldn't get any momentum, went down again before the news or before the 10 o'clock hour, which we said could happen because of certain things we look at 10 o'clock. There was a long trade right at 10 o'clock. I told everybody it was going to be super aggressive, but since we had a couple winning trades, it was okay to take. If they wanted to, 75.50, that was a stop out. And then again, we hit it again, 10:09, because we were looking for a move up into up to the low 90s, and that's exactly what happened. So the risk reward was worth it to try, even though it was a little aggressive. I said either small size or we let it pull back a little bit and got in. But either way, small size, large size, it was a stop. Then we hit it again, and that one worked okay. 10:09 Central Standard Time. 75.50, that one made 25, 30 ticks. And then we hit it yet a third time on the 10:21 candle. That was at 82, and that one went up to around 96 almost. That was over 50 ticks here. Over 50 ticks. And again, I gave the exact targets here. I said very, very high 80s or low 90s. That's exactly where it went to, and it actually never went higher for the whole morning until after lunch. So we banged out what we could there. We had a beautiful trade in the ES short. We had a ZL short in the ES that was around 38.75, 38 quarter, and that one went straight down almost 10 points. That was a beautiful trade there, and then we hit an understanding trade short at 26, 28.75, and that was on the 11:45 candle, 28.75, and went up and then came straight down, and it hit our target of 25, which I called before we even got in the trade. And in fact, I said it could get down to 25 over here. Even didn't quite make it, but it went 10 points from there. But that was kind of like a stretched kind of target, so to speak. And again, if you look at 25, that was the low of the day. It went down a little bit lower. I mean, after that trade was over, we went to lunch and it never got back down there. That went to 25. Anybody who held it could have made another, point and a couple points if they wanted to, but that was a beautiful trade there. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. I want to invite everybody to come to our website, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Check out what we do for the 10-day free trial, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye-bye.